Hi everyone, I am hopping on here real quick to show you what you need to do tomorrow when we start the online process. First things first, go into your Schoology page, find your appropriate class. I'm going to do first hour. This will work for all nonlinear kids. The first thing here is getting ready and checking in. If you haven't done that already, please do. I have received that from most of you. Then we'll go to week one. This first thing here, optional discussion, if you open it, there's a place there for you to enter questions you might have where other kids can answer it for you, or I can help you with that. Then we're going to go down to this red thing here. It says important information, read carefully. So all your work for this first week is due on Saturday before 11 a.m. If you want to do it all tomorrow, great. If you want to do some tonight, great. Do whatever you need to do, but I'm going to shut it down at 11 a.m. on Saturday. This will consist of 3.5 days of work and a summative. Day one worksheet, do half the problems. Day two, you don't have to do it, but if you feel like you need more practice, go ahead and do that. These first 2 days are review. Day three is also review. Do half the problems. You may have them done already and do the quiz. And then day three, part two, is also a quiz. When you're done with that, submit it, ask questions, do whatever you need to do, and then you will have one summative. I can factor trinomials. Remember, that's a equals 1 or a not equal to 1 where you make your box. Now, additional things. You can take formative quizzes up to 5 times. Write your notes right in your notebook, you guys. Don't recreate the wheel. If you don't want to print the worksheets that I have on here, just do your work on another sheet of paper, label it, put your name on it, take a picture that's not blurry or too dark, and just submit it that way. Let's not make this harder than it has to be. And let's open these folders. So day one and day two is review, factoring trinomials a equal to 1. We've already done this. Day two, factoring trinomials not equal to 1. We've already done this. Day three, part two, trinomials not equal to 1. Again, we've already done this, so I want to take some quizzes. I want to see where you're at. I want to help you some more, and then you can take your summative. Now, with your summative, it is timed. You have 45 minutes to do it, and obviously you only get one score. You have to show your work to get full credit. Do your work on another sheet of paper. I'll show you here. Goodness. There's a spot in that folder that is for your work. So you can do your summative work submission right there. Please let me know if I can help you. Let me know what you need. I'll be online tomorrow from 9 to 11, actually every day, but I'm available to you at all times. Just send me an email, send me a Schoology message, do whatever you need, and I will help you get through this. Hope all is well. Take care, and I miss seeing you guys.